India's higher education universities, IITs, IIMs require a lot of capital investment for deepening their research and other activities, providing results and quality education to students. Now, that is a standing problem of capital deficit in these institutes and how they can attract more fund from market, government, and other sources for a better quality of education to be provided. So, to address this, multiple sources of solutions have been identified by these institutes. Definitely, we have the alumni network, and corporate endowments. So, such that is one major source of funding which the institutes are looking to leverage and get money for their work, for the research, what they want to do, and the surveys around that. Additionally, the infrastructure investment as well. Additionally, FDI is something the institutes are trying to attract, and however, not much has happened on that. FDIs have been allowed since 2002, but over the past 20 years, only $3 to $4 billion FDI cumulative have come to institutes, which is a small number when we see comparative FDI flows in the edtech sector. Uh, then the PEVC funding, the private equity venture capitalist funding we have seen in private sector at higher education sector, and that has increased recently threefold from $5 billion to $18 billion, and so that money is also flowing and improving the capital infrastructure and quality of education. So we see those islands of quality infrastructure in higher education sector in India. More is to be coming, more is required in fact, and government is also looking to tap foreign universities, collaboration with foreign universities to get more learning from how the foreign universities do the research and what kind of incentives they give to student to take entrepreneurial route, and what kind of culture they provide in terms of financing and supporting the students and the infrastructural setup. And also with these collaborations, some FDI inflow, some funding is also expected. So that is also another way. So these are multiple solutions what we see to increase the funding and capital investment in these higher education institutes, IITs, IIMs, and others. But one important thing here is that whenever we are investing in institutes, these are the result of those are seen in a very long term in terms of improving the quality, because these are infrastructural investment and others allied as well, which are requiring long gestation period to yield result, and that too not high. So in fact, if we create some parameters and understanding on how the impact of these investments are yielding results on ground, ensure the quality education reflection on ground, quality infrastructure setup, quality research, laboratories and others, then that would help attract more and more money to this higher education sector, to these institutes. And I think that should be the idea behind attracting investment to yield results. Thank you.